Service lines run from the main line to the meter on your home. But before ENSTAR installs a service line, all underground utilities must be located.
ENSTAR will call 811 for locates 2 business days ahead of time. However, the homeowner is responsible for locating all private underground lines. This can include any well, septic, dish, or electric lines to outbuildings. Locating any fuel lines in your yard is especially important. ENSTAR will locate through the yard to the main in the street where the service line will be connected. After confirming all utility lines have been located, the crew will inspect the meter location to ensure it meets all the requirements.
For example, the meter must be 36 inches away from the operable part of the window. The criteria are listed on this yellow card, which should be placed on your home at the desired meter location.
If necessary, ENSTAR may adjust the meter location in order to ensure compliance. Once a meter location has been confirmed, the crew will start the service line installation process.
A typical service line is made of high-density polyethylene pipe, and it's usually a ½ inch in diameter.
At the time of installation, it is buried 12 to 18 inches below the finished grade. It is wrapped with a tracer wire before going into the ground in order for the pipe to be located after it is buried. Starting at the house, the crew will bolt the meter bracket to the wall and dig a starter hole with a backhoe. The trencher then inserts the line, vibrating it into the ground all the way to the marked main line. Once they reach the street, the crew digs out the area around the main. A T is then fused onto the main to connect the service line.
To meet federal requirements, ENSTAR is required to install an excess flow valve on certain residential service lines. The excess flow valve is designed to stop the flow of gas in the service line should it experience a high flow rate.
This may happen if the service line is damaged or severed when digging in the yard. When you apply for a service line, it is important to list all of your gas appliances so the excess flow valve can be appropriately sized. This will avoid any unintended closures of the excess flow valve and subsequently a gas outage. It is important to notify ENSTAR anytime you add any additional gas appliances to your home to make sure your excess flow valve can handle the new load. Once a service line is connected to the T, a pressure test is conducted on the new service line to make sure that there are no holes or leaks in the line. Once a pressure test has been successfully completed, the main is tapped through the T to allow gas flow into the service line. Before ENSTAR crews leave the site, they will restore the site to its original condition as much as possible and test the tracer wire to ensure that it's working.
Whenever you dig, you must call 811 for locates. Please allow 2 business days for the locates to be completed. Remember, if you ever smell gas, please call ENSTAR immediately at 277-5551.